Okay, this lesson is for Monday, April 27th. This is Go Math Chapter 10, Show What You Know, and Vocabulary Builder. In this first section, you're just going to put some red and some yellow of your choice. How many ever you'd like of your choice. The question is asking how many red are there. So how many ever red you did, write that number. Then we're going to get to the vocabulary words more and fewest. So if you look in your next page over, the vocabulary words are there and you'll see your cards fewer and more. Fewer means less, a smaller amount. So if it says to shade to show a set of fewer, that means you need to show fewer than the set that's here. So in this set, there are 4 cars. So a set fewer than 4 would be 3, 2, or 1. So you make your choice of how many you would like to shade, how many boxes you want to shade, but it must be fewer than the amount of cars. Equal is the word same. So draw a circle below each picture to show the same or equal number of objects. So we can see 3 flowers, so the same number of flowers would be 3. So you should draw 3 flowers. On the vocabulary builder page, you are going to see our review words here. Graph, more, fewer, most, fewest. So a graph is some kind of chart or table that's written that gives you data or information. Okay? More means a group with a bigger number. So in the vocabulary card, you can see there are more stars than triangles because it has 5, and 5 is more than 3. How many more? There are 2 more stars than triangles. Fewer means less or a smaller number. So in birds and nests, you can see that there are fewer birds because it's a smaller number. How many fewer are there? There are 3 fewer birds than there are nests. Most is the biggest number in a group, and fewest is the smallest number. You don't really need to do anything on this chart, just kind of make sure you can read those words and you know what they are. Down here, number 1, you're going to use these vocabulary words and label the groups. So we're going to have to use one of these words. So we're not going to put the number 3 here. We're going to say, I see 1, 2, 3 in this group and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this group. So I might want to say this group has fewer and this group has more. Those words you will write on the line. The shovels, I see 3 choices. So if I want to say this group is the biggest group, would I say more or most for the biggest group? I think most. This group has more, but this group has the fewest.